Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm Fajri and Arifal. And Snort. So what is Snort? Snort is a free open source network intrusion prevention system and detection system that created by Martin Research and developed by Sourcefire. So just straight ahead, we have to download the Snort software. We have to download it in snort.org. So after you came to the snort.org, you have to download in here and get started, and then click Windows if you are using Windows, and then download it. Installer, yeah. After that, you just install it, run. We already installed it, so no. So if you are not already installed, you just run it, and then after that you have to download. We're back here. After you install the Snort installer, you have to download the rules. So what is the rules? The rules is it's like a configuration, right? Yes. Configuration that you have to config again to become a runnable in Windows. So we have to download the rules here, the Snort v2.9, these rules. After you download, we already download here. Yeah, you have to. After that, you open the etc folder and then open the snort.conf here. After you open, you will see this line, this 689 line about the Snort configuration. After that, we have to config some code here to make it runnable in Windows. Okay, so now we're gonna try to run it. We're gonna try to run the Snort in here. Okay.
Hello, my name is Arifal. Today I want to show you how to run Snort, especially for IDS and IPS. So back to the screen. We are already install and also config the Snort. Yeah. Why we need to config Snort first? Because the Snort rules that we already download is basically is for Linux. So some things like pad like this, it is for Linux. So we config some of library to works in to match the pad in Windows, like as you see, Snort, lib, and dpad, like that. So after that, we make sure that Snort should be works by running the command prompt, then type snort strip v to get the version. Also check the packet, then it works. The packet works correctly, and also it's on the, if I cancel it and I scroll up, it's on the version of the Snort, and so it's work. Then after that, we will demonstration two function of Snort, that is IDS and IPS. So in the rules folder in Snort, there is one file that called local.rules. So in local.rules, we can set some of rules that we need. The first of all, for example, we need to prevention IPS. So we can, in this line, we have alert ICMP, alert UDP, and alert TCP. So this one of them, this function is same but different port here. So the function of this alert is to give a notification if someone access your someone accessing ICMP or someone accessing UDP and TCP. From this line is all of website will notify. So it is included as IPS. And the second is IDS. So IDS we more specific. So in here the difference is in the content. So if someone access a Facebook, it will give us a notif someone visiting Facebook now. Yeah, and if the website is contains words malware, the Snort also will give us notification like this. Yeah, accessing malware tag. So it is only for alert function. The other function that we can use in Snort is drop. Yeah, I just copy one of them, change the alert into drop, but I will try it later. I will comment it first. Then the first I will run the IPS. Yeah, the IPS. So I comment the other line, these 3 lines I will try to run, and then open back to the command prompt. And how to run it we already type. So this is Snort with parameter E, then 1A uppercase console and Snort conf that we already configured. After this, just enter. So this Snort is like the preparing the files, preparing the library. After it finish, they will running. Yes, this is the result of if we alert all of access TCP UDP. There's an alert. Yeah, someone accessing UDP and someone accessing TCP alert. This IP access this and this IP access this. So it will be a lot of notification if we use the 3 lines. Yeah. For example, I want to access ICMP by ping Google. Yeah, ping google.com. So when I try to ping Google, this Snort will be handle it by detecting there is the ICMP alert. Yeah, ICMP alert here. Yeah, it's detecting the ping Google. We ping the Google. Then after that we want to try specifically detect the what content that access it. Yeah, back to the we already tried to prevent all of traffic that access it by any network, any ICMP, UDP, and TCP. Second one, we try to specifically detect what the users access, what website, what content that user access by adding this parameter. So before we just give a message and also the ID, then in this line we add the content. So if someone access a website that contains what's Facebook or malware, there is will give us a message. Yeah, if it's message different. So I try to uncomment these 2 line. Yeah, and this uncomment to these 2 line. Then after that we restart the Snort and open it. Yeah. The Snort is already started. Now I will try to open the website that contains word Facebook. For example, Facebook. Then I open the Facebook website. Then automatically this Snort will detect there is someone open the Facebook. This IP open the Facebook, like this message here. So visiting Facebook now. Yeah. And then the second website, there is a second rules is if any someone open website that contains malware words. Yeah, here I just website this one, malware bytes. When I open it and I check this Snort, then this Snort will give us the notification that someone open website with malware words. That is how simple Snort, yeah, as IDS and IPS. And me, Arifal, and Fajri, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Gue ya. So, aku mau keluar sih. Siapa? Santai, pause. Harus. Jadi, pause dulu. Sip. So, that is how Snort as IDS and IPS works, and then it. Oh, pause.
Yeah. Dadah dong.